Park it or you want me to?
What do you mean park it up there?
Park it over there. I don't like it over here. It's in the way of everything.
I'll park it.
Where?
No, I want you to start it.
Where you're going to park it is go straight, not too close to the buckets. And when you swing, just make sure everything, turning around, the bucket's got to be looking this way, all right?
Mm-hmm.
And don't twist when you run the concrete. Go off the concrete real slow and straight, you know?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you twist on the concrete, you'll tube it.
Contact!
Contact! Oh, that was great. I'll do it. I want to do it.
Kill the radio star.
Yep.
Right. Straight ahead, right? Mm-hmm. Make sure you're not anchored when you turn.
Okay.
But don't go back up.
I know. Oh, my 5,117.7 hours. Toodaloo.
Want to shut the door?
No. Is this the throttle? Oh god, it's already zoomed.
Oh boy.
Turn so the bucket goes around this way?
No, go that way. Just go slow. I'll watch it.
Yeah, what's with the mirror?
No, you won't be able to turn that at sight.
Oh,
But
well.
you have to go this way a little more, too.
Like move over this way more?
Yeah, just drive straight forward. Oh, watch. All right. Man, you're all right. Swing around the other way.
What? To make sure.
Watching you. You're all right. Watch that way now. Any lights come on the dash? All
No.
right.
Do you want me to tilt the bucket so that the water will drain out?
No, you can leave it like that. It's all right.
I don't know. Leave it a little.
Smooth operator.
I like this one better than the other one. The other one smokes.
What?
I like this one better.
That's a nice machine.
Yeah.
That one doesn't smoke much either.
Yeah.
I'm a smooth operator.
You're on video, Papa.
The crane is, that's the bee rig. Want to go in the house?
I don't know.
I can go check that out, see if there's any bees in there.
Oh. Bye-bye.